Hey guys, welcome to our task 35 designing a responsive purchase history page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Tailwind CSS framework in our Skillshop web development project. Okay, in this video we are talking about our uh, projects. Let's call the purchase page. Now I am logging with buyer account. When you click the purchase history, you go into this purchase history page. It's look like this. Purchase history, and you can see the description. We can see the full invoice, and we can, when we click the course, we go to the product view PHP, and we can give a feedback. Yeah, like this we can give the feedback also. Alright, so this is how it works, and I will show you quickly how it's yeah. Okay, now we in the buyer dashboard PHP. First I added else if using PHP else if for purchase history page tab to check tab is equals to page history. So the opening tab must be a purchase history page, right? So, and I create PHP variable called invoice query. Invoice query, and this invoice query use database search, select IDs, select I, that means IDs from invoices, and we use join order to on this query. Select I from invoice I, join order O on O, that means O mean also order ID, sign, in this case equals, actually because this is a query part, I dot order ID, where O user ID equals order by I date, I mean item date, I mean item, O mean order, and also getting the user ID here. And main class for show our main page, this page, and purchase history, h1 class for purchase history, paragraph class for this description, and also PHP if statement for get invoice queue and invoice queue. In here, in this part, if num rows greater than 0, we can see like this, but if less than 0, you would be see like this, no purchase item yet. So now you know, if there are no item for buyer, this is how it look like. I would change it back. Alright, so div class for space y6 just for space, and we use while in here for fetch as well. That means we fetch as well, we get this invoice query data, into this variable called invoice, and we can see the invoice header here. Invoice header for what? Total amount, place, date, our invoice header. That means this is invoice header, not the full invoice, just invoice header. In here, date, place, total amount, order ID, see, date, order ID, and we are using PHP number format, of course. I talk about number format in previous video, our task 34. We actually using PHP number format for purchased and format prices using PHP. Alright, yeah, order ID here. Now, same like in invoice query, invoice queue, we create variable called item queue, that's mean items query. We also create a database search in summary to get items details like this. User ID with invoice ID. We use while again, and this time we use fetches out for items queue to get this details, this inputs into one variable. And we are using href for here product view.php because when we click this, it should go to product view PHP, right? Okay, this is just classes for each function. Number format again, and yeah, give feedback and feedback submitted, that buttons. In here we have give feedback because we didn't give a feedback. If we give a feedback, we have feedback submitted button. Yeah, and yeah, also this no purchase yet, explore our range of skills and start your learning. That's so actually you know, PHP if the whole process for if you have purchase item, this if else, this if else just for if buyer don't have no purchase yet. Okay, that's for designing process, small part in our purchase history page. Let's talk about the new video later, task 36. Let's meet in here.